years I'm waiting here and ready. So cut that out, crying pounds pathetic. The super tough should power up that fever. We're flying far, we're movie stars in theaters.
Everyone knows that a crab is the natural enemy of the octopus because it is its prey. And of course, we'll be drawing one of the Nematrix's other aliens that Azimuth managed to unlock. He calls it victopus. Of course, it is the cerebral crustacean's mortal enemy and natural predator. And also because it cracks things open with its beak. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I'm waiting here and ready. So cut that out, crying pounds pathetic. The super tough should power up that fever. We're flying far, we're movie stars in theaters. All you go through, all you find or abide, sparking courage, it will turn you into a super guy. Clear will, clear mind, open there, everywhere. Feel fine now, I've energy to spare. You can fool around, make some noise, play all games, little boys. We've got power, see it all on Dragon Ball. Say, strong will, strong mind, keeping me focusing. Mom's right if I have a ramen feast. I said, Daddy, all through the world, have a ball, cheeky girl. We've got power, see it all on Dragon Ball.
Alexa, what is an octopus?
An octopus is a soft-bodied, 8-limbed mollusk of the order Octopoda. The order consists of some 300 species and is grouped within the class Cephalopoda with squids, cuttlefish, and nautiloids. Like other cephalopods, an octopus is bilaterally symmetric with 2 eyes and a beaked mouth at the center point of the 8 limbs.
Oh, that's awesome.
So cut that out, crying pounds pathetic. The super tough should power up that fever. We're flying far, we're movie stars in theaters. All you go through, all you find or abide, sparking courage, it will turn you into a super guy. Clear will, clear mind, open there, everywhere. Feel fine now, I've energy to spare. You can fool around, make some noise, play all games, little boys.
Alexa, name a few species of octopus.
I know about 312 octopus species, including a giant Pacific octopus, a common octopus, a Thaumoctopus mimicus, an Episoteuthis californiana, and a greater blue-ringed octopus.
Alexa, what are nautiloids?
I don't know that one.
Come on. Alexa, what is a nautilus?
The nautilus is a pelagic marine mollusk of the cephalopod family Nautilidae. The nautilus is the sole extant family of the superfamily Nautilaceae and of its smaller but near equal suborder, Nautilina. It comprises 6 living species in 2 genera, the type of which is the genus Nautilus.
We'll turn you into a super guy. Clear will, clear mind. Over there, everywhere. Feel finding out why. Energy to spare. You can fool around, make some noise, play your games, little boys. We've got power. See it all on Dragon Ball. Strong will, strong mind, keeping me focusing. Mom's fighting
Okay.
if I have a lot
Gar.
of things. I said, Daddy, all through the world, have a ball, cheeky girl. We've got power. See it on Dragon Ball.
One last thing. There. That is how you draw a victopus.